The diagram shows a shape made from a rectangle and a semicircle. The perimeter of the rectangle is 64 centimetres. We're told that the length of AB to the length of BC is 3 to 1. So the length of AB is 3 times bigger than the length of BC. So if I say that the length of BC is x, then the length of AB will be 3 times bigger, which is 3x. Which means that the perimeter of this rectangle will be 3x plus x plus 3x plus x, which is 8x. And we're told that that's equal to 64. So therefore x would be 8. So now I know that this here is 8, this here is 24. So in terms of working out the area of the shape, the rectangle is going to be 24 times 8, which is 192. The semicircle is going to be the area of the circle, which is going to be pi times the radius squared, divided by 2. Now, for this semicircle here, we can see that we've got the diameter as 8. Which means that the radius is going to be 4. Pi times 4 squared divided by 2 is 25.13. So that's the area of the semicircle. If we then add that, let's add the rectangle and the semicircle together. And we get the area of the whole shape is 217.1327. We need to give our answers to 3 significant figures. Here are the first 3 significant figures. The number after those is a 1, so we're going to round down. So it'll be 217 centimetres squared. That's my answer to part A of the question. Moving on to part B, we're told that the ratio is now reversed. So the length of AB to the length of BC is 1 to 3. How does this affect the area of the shape? Well, I'm not going to do all the calculations, but I'm going to start the problem off a little bit here. So let's come back up here. And we're told that the length of AB, this is just one part now, and this is 3 parts. The length of AB is 1, the length of BC is 3. So if I said this was x and this was 3x, so this now here is the 8 and this now here is the 24. Well, what that means is that the area of the rectangle here is still 8 times 24. So that stayed the same. But the area of the circle is going to be much, much bigger because the diameter of the circle is now 24 rather than 8. So that means the radius of the circle is going to be bigger, and so the circle is going to be much bigger. So the area of the shape is going to be much bigger now. So the area of the shape is bigger because the rectangle has the same area but the circle has a much bigger diameter. So therefore a bigger area.